Hi there, welcome to another help video. In this video, we will be going over the Classified section of the Members tab. The Classified section of your website is a place where you can buy or sell things or services and make announcements for things such as an upcoming event. So let's begin. First, let's go over the Categories section. When adding an item to the Classifieds page, you choose the category that the item fits under. As you can see here, we have a bunch of different categories listed. You can also add a new category by typing in the name, a description, and then adding the category. You can also have subcategories. For example, under the Pets tab here, when I click this blue button, as you can see, I've added two subcategories, adoption and pet toys. Again, if you want to add a new subcategory, just add the name and click Add Category. Next, let's go over the Pending Items section. Pending items will show you all the classified ads that have been submitted by members or subscribers on your site. Let's jump over to the demo site to show you how to submit and approve items. So I'm going to go under the Community tab and go into the Classified section. As you can see, it says log in or register to manage your classifieds or message a seller. So I'm going to log into my account. And now you have the option to add a new item. I quickly just filled in all the appropriate fields for this specific post that I wanted to submit. This is a post for a dog that needs to be adopted. So I'm going to scroll down and click the Submit Posting button. As you can see, it says my item has been added and it is pending approval. So I'm going to go back to the admin site. And I'm going to refresh this page. Now you can see that my post has now been added to the pending items. So to view the post, click the blue title. Here you can see all the fields. If the posting is appropriate and you would like to put it on your website, you can approve the item and click Save Changes. This item has now been moved to the Approved Items section. The Approved Items section is where you can also manage items. You can do so by again clicking the blue title to update any of the information and the status. Now let's jump over to the demo website again so you can see this post on the website. So I'm going to click the Home button here. And here you can see all the different categories. I'm going to click into the pets, go under adoption, and here you can see my post. And if a member of your website is interested in any of the items on your classified field section, all they have to do is contact the seller and type a message. And that wraps up this video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to visit our help center or contact customer support. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other help videos and we'll see you next time.